Okay, so we have a mathematics question that says a box of chalk contains 5 white, 4 blue, and 3 yellow pieces of chalk. A piece of chalk is selected at random from the box and not replaced. A second piece of chalk is selected. Draw a tree diagram to show all the possible outcome. Okay, you need to understand that here we are looking at probability. Probability is the likelihood of an event to occur. Which event? The event we're talking about here is picking a chalk from the box randomly. Okay, so what we do here, we're supposed to use a method known as what? The tree diagram. So to use the tree diagram, you're supposed to do this. You say the probability of picking a white, the probability of picking a blue, and a probability of picking a yellow piece of chalk. So you draw like this. So for the white here, this one here will be for the what? For the blue. So here will be for the blue. Then this one here will be for what? For yellow there, like this. You have seen? So these are the probability of picking the white, the blue, and the yellow, but it's still incomplete. So what you need to do now, what are the chances of picking the white piece of chalk from the box randomly? Okay, so how many pieces of white chalk are there? We have 5. So here you say 5 over the total number of all the pieces of chalk. So you say 5 plus 4 plus 3, which will give me 12. So the chances of picking the white piece of chalk is 5 over 12. Now, what are the chances of picking a blue? Now, a blue here we have 4. So you say 4 over the total number, it is 12. What are the chances of picking the yellow there? So the yellow is what? 3 over what? 3 over 12 there. Now, this simply means the one with the highest numerator here, like 5, simply means it stands a chance for it to be picked most. But now remember, this probability or this outcome, it was for the first selection, because this one you're saying it is representing this. You're saying a piece of chalk is selected at random from the box. It is representing this one and not replaced, meaning that the total number was reducing, meaning from 12 to 11 to 10 and so on. That is if only we pick one piece of chalk. Again, now they're saying a second piece of chalk. So now what we do for the white, again you say like this. So again you say the chances of picking the white, the chances of picking a blue, the chances of picking the yellow. Again you come for the blue, the chances of picking the white, the chances of picking the blue, and the chances of picking the what? The yellow. Now again we go to the last one, the chances of picking the white here, the chances of picking the blue, the chances of picking the yellow there. I hope you are following. Now we do this here. What are the chances of picking another white? Another white from here, another white. That simply means that this number is supposed to reduce to 4 because I've picked another white piece of chalk. So meaning it will be 4. Now, since it is not here, not replaced, simply means the total number is supposed to reduce to 11. Now you come to the blue. Since we are only interested in the white, so meaning the number of blue supposed to be maintained. You just like 4 over what? The total number 11. Now again we come to yellow. We are only interested in white and not yellow. So what was the total number for yellow? It was 3. So you just say 3 over 11 there. I hope you have seen. Now we come to blue. Now since we are only interested in picking blue and not white, that simply means the total number for the white is supposed to be maintained, which is what? 5. So meaning it will be 5 over 11. You come here for the blue. Since you are only interested in picking the blue piece of chalk, here we picked blue, again another blue. So that simply means this number is supposed to be 3 over what? 11. Now how about for the yellow here? We are only interested in picking the blue. So it simply means the number for the yellow is supposed to be maintained, which is what? 3. So it will be 3 over 11. I hope you are following. Now for this one, again now for white. So again we do the same. So what are the chances of picking the one for white? So the one for white, since we're only interested in picking yellow, so it is 5. So 5 over 11. How about the chances for picking the blue? So we're only interested in picking the what? The yellow. So for the blue it is 4 over 11. How about for the yellow? So for the yellow the number has been supposed to reduce, so it will be 2 over what? So yellow it will be 2 over 11. So this here, it is the answer of how you're supposed to solve for this question here.